Sometimes we don't have time for a long cool down after a workout session, but taking just 5 minutes to give yourself a nice stretch, intentionally slowing down the breath, heart rate, and energy levels can really help transition you out of a high tempo and into regular life to start your working day feeling a little more grounded and centered. Hi, I'm Jaime at Enlightened Spoon, feeding your mind, body, soul. On this channel, we give you the tips and tools to help you find a little more balance in your overachiever life. If you're into it, hit like and subscribe for more videos to help you stress less yet accomplish more. This is a short 5-minute yin yoga cool down session that's great at the end of any high intensity training session to help you settle the mind, body, breath, and take a moment to drop into that quiet space inside before the crazy of your workday starts up again. If you're ready, grab your mat and let's get started. All you need for today's session is a yoga mat. Coming onto the mat, and let's begin. Inhale, arms up, interlacing the hands, pressing palms up to the sky. Give yourself a nice big stretch. And as you exhale, let's come into child's pose, knees wide open, big toes touching. And let's take a few moments to just arrive here. Checking in with the breath. Allowing the breath to slow down to its natural rhythm. Allowing your heart rate to slow down to its natural rhythm as well. And taking as much time as you need to feel the inhales and feel the exhales. Enjoying every single moment. Coming into all fours, let's do a quick cat-cow. As you exhale, let's round the spine, tuck the chin in, pressing the tailbone back towards the heels. Inhale, arching the spine, squeeze shoulder blades together, coming into all fours one more time. Then straighten that right leg, press the right heel back. Exhale, draw the knee into the nose. Inhale, press the right heel back. Exhale, knee to the nose, and swing it through, coming into pigeon pose. A few deep breaths here, really getting into the glute stretch. And if you'd like to, as you exhale, straightening the arms all the way down into the floor. Deep belly breaths as you inhale. Deep belly breaths as you exhale. Just allowing the belly to rise and fall. Pressing against the knees into the thighs, and then inhale, walking back up to pigeon. Coming into all fours and then coming into child's pose. Straighten the left leg this time, press the left heel back. Exhale, knee to nose, round the spine. As you inhale, straighten out that left leg again, press the left heel back. Knee to the nose as you exhale, round the spine. Inhale, straighten that left leg one more time. And then swing it through, coming into pigeon pose. Few deep breaths here, really working deeply into the glute, stretching it out. And then coming down onto the elbows, onto the arms. One side might feel different than the other, that's perfectly natural. Whenever you're ready, coming all the way down towards the floor. Checking in with the breath, slowing it down. Slowing down the heart rate. Noticing how as you slow down the breath, the heart rate starts to slow too. One more deep breath here. Straightening up. And then let's press back to child's pose one more time, drawing the tailbone down towards the heels. Knees are wide. Now this time coming into a sphinx pose on the belly, coming onto the forearms. And then slowly coming all the way down towards the floor. As you inhale, let's lift the heart up, coming onto the fingertips. And then release. A few more times as you inhale, lift the heart up, mini back bends. And exhale, release. Inhale, lifting the heart up. Exhale, release. And now this time, coming into Sphinx while we're here, pressing forearms into the floor, lifting the heart up towards the sky. And a few moments here as we inhale deeply into the belly, feeling it press into the floor. As you exhale, releasing any tension. Taking that moment to ground and center, finding that quiet space inside of yourself. And when you're ready, let's press back into child's pose, taking a moment of gratitude for taking this time for you, staying here for as long as you need. And if you'd like to continue with a morning meditation, check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.